Today I'm going to review a product from ShapeWear. It's a body shaper, a tummy tucker. So behind the box, all the instructions is given. Today I'm reviewing the product. The product code is A105 and the feature says it's comfortable, close fitting, freedom of movement, great comfort. Of course it is. It's available in 2 colors. And the size chart is given here. It's up to XXXL. And the other products, there are more than nearly about 12 products it's given here, so it's more than 10 products. So you can see all different shapewears. Now let's see. We'll open the pack and we'll see what's there inside. The first one, it's the body shaper, that's a tummy tucker. Along with that you get a small pack. The size is XL, which I'm reviewing. This is how the product looks like. This is a small pack in which you get 2 straps to eliminate the rollover. So I'll show it to you. As shown in the picture, you need to fix this strap to the tummy tucker and the bra. So it's given in the picture. Now I'll show it how to do it. Just take one strap and fix it here in this way, the way I'm showing it. It's very firm. And then fix it to the bra so that it stays firm and doesn't rolls out. This is very comfortable and the cloth is also very smooth. The link of this product is given in the description box, and if you are using it for the first time, I suggest you to go for this product.